We're having a great day at New England Dragway at the Youth and Education Career Day. We joined Seacoast School of Technology and Mount Washington Valley CTE Center. We also bumped into some of our members here talking about the great career opportunities in the automotive industry.
Yeah, this is Scott Mayotte from the Seacoast School of Technology. We brought about 70 Year 1 auto students, and it's been great so far. They started with a panel with Ron Taps and Bob Tasker, really talking about all the opportunities in the auto industry. They're watching a lot of racing. I saw some of the students getting engine parts, pistons, and connecting rods, so they're all excited about that. It should be a great day.
I'm having a blast. Great environment, loud cars, lots of cars, nice people. Picking up parts from the different cars that are used.
I really like the panel. They gave us a lot of good advice and information for future career options, and it's just been honestly great all around.